Good morning students. Till now we studied about polygons and two types of polygons, triangles and quadrilaterals. Today we are going to study about a different type of plane figure which all of you are aware of, and it looks something like this. What is it? It is a circle. Today we are going to study about circle. What is a circle? A circle is a simple closed figure, okay, each point of this circle is equidistant from a fixed point on the plane. Okay, if you are not able to see, imagine a fixed point is there, okay, and each point on this circle is equidistant from this point. Okay, so this is a circle, and what is this point called? It is known as the center of the circle, and it is named using a capital letter, more frequently as O. Okay, so let center be of this circle be O. Okay, now any line segment which is drawn from the center to any point on the circle, okay, is known as the radius. Okay, is known as the radius. Okay, any line segment joining any two points on the circle, is known as a chord. Okay, is known as a chord. Similarly, any chord passing through the center, is known as the diameter. Is known as the diameter. Okay, and as you see, that diameter is the double of the radius. So diameter is denoted by the small d and radius is denoted by small r. So diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, diameter is double of radius. Okay, what next? Now you see that this chord is dividing the circle in two parts. Okay, this chord is divided the circle in two parts. So see, this is the one part, and this whole is the second part. Okay, so this is known as segment. Okay, and the smaller part of the circle is known as the minor segment, and the larger part is known as the major segment. Okay, and the diameter, you see, it divides the circle into exactly equal two segments. Okay, exactly two equal segments because it passes through the center. So the half of the circle is known as the semicircle. So you can say that, let us name any point here. D. So QDR is the semicircle. Okay, and you see that OR is a radius, OR, and OP is also a radius. Okay, and these two are also making dividing the circle into a sector or a part of the circle. Okay, like we cut the pizza, right? So each slice of the pizza is known as the sector of the circle. Okay, sector. And similarly, the smaller sector is known as the minor sector, and the larger sector is known as the major sector. Okay, students, obviously the all the area which is enclosed by the circle is known as the interior of the circle, and the area which is not enclosed is known as the exterior of the circle. So this was all about the circle. You have to write all the definitions in your notebook. All the definitions are given in your book. So I hope it is clear. Any doubts are there, you may ask in the comment section. Till then, be safe and keep studying.